All right, welcome to week 16 of our Math and Logic course. This is it. This is your last week. If you're on schedule, you should only have the algebra practice test and algebra test left to do. Remember, all work and late work needs to be done by Monday, December 13th at 11 a.m. I got a good question this morning asking, like, how does that work? Do we have to do everything? So here's the specifics on that. Anything you want me to grade, you have to have to me by, you'll pass. Okay, so you don't have to necessarily do every assignment or get 100% on every homework, but you do need to earn enough points to pass the class. So even if you're missing something, even something big like one of the projects, you can still pass. Of course, you can't get that 9% of your grade, so it'll be lower, but it's okay. Like you don't have to complete every assignment to pass. At least for me, I've heard other instructors do other crazy things. Um, Recall if you want to get an estimate for where your grades at grade book that comes up. Your score at the top there is about where you're at. If your grade seems lower than you think it should be, the first thing to do would be to check for 0%. So if you click on it comes up looking at just the past month. If you click on past month and go to entire course to date, then you can see every assignment you've done for the semester. Look for 0%. Those would be the things that you're missing. If you have any questions about your grade, please reach out to me right away. I'm happy to work through that with you and figure out what's going on. As shown in the syllabus. If you have a 90% to 100%, you get an A. If you're between 80% and 90%, you get a B. Between 70% and 80%, you get a C. And then between 65% and 70%, you get D. Less than 65% is an F. This week, I'm going to work on grading students who I know are done with the class, especially those who have an A, and also grading anything late that comes in, problem solving problems, tests, and projects, those kinds of things. So thank you all for a good semester. If you have any questions, please reach out sooner rather than later. And I look forward to hearing from you. Oh, once I'm done grading everything for you, I will send you an email. Here's your final grade. Here's how your algebra test, that kind of thing. But like I said, if you have any questions or issues, just shoot me an email. Thanks.